Creative Global Funding Services. Addressing the housing shortage crisis in Canada, strategies for sustainable solutions. Introduction. Canada is currently grappling with a severe housing shortage crisis that affects millions of its residents. The lack of affordable and adequate housing options has far-reaching implications, leading to rising homelessness, inflated property prices, and strained social and economic stability. To combat this crisis, it is crucial to implement a comprehensive approach that involves government intervention, private sector collaboration, and innovative financing solutions. In this article, we, Creative Global Funding Services Inc., propose a series of strategies to tackle the housing shortage crisis and pave the way for a more sustainable future. 1. Increase government investment in affordable housing. One of the key components in addressing the housing shortage crisis is increasing government investment in affordable housing initiatives. Federal, provincial, and municipal governments should collaborate to allocate substantial funding for the construction and maintenance of affordable housing units. By providing financial incentives and reducing development barriers for builders, the government can encourage the creation of affordable housing projects in strategic locations. 1. Encourage mixed-income housing developments. Promoting mixed-income housing developments can contribute significantly to alleviating the housing shortage. By integrating a range of housing options within the same community, individuals from different socio-economic backgrounds can coexist and create a sense of inclusivity. Additionally, the integration of market rate and affordable units in the same development can help subsidize affordable housing costs, making it more feasible for developers. 1. Utilize underutilized land and buildings. Identifying and utilizing underutilized land and vacant buildings can be a cost-effective way to increase housing stock. Government bodies and private investors should collaborate to repurpose abandoned buildings, unused public spaces, and other vacant properties for residential development. Incentives and tax breaks can be offered to encourage property owners to participate in such revitalization projects. 1. Embrace innovative building techniques. Exploring innovative building techniques, such as modular construction, can significantly accelerate the pace of housing development. These methods not only reduce construction time but also minimize material waste and labor costs. By investing in research and development of sustainable building practices, the housing sector can become more efficient and eco-friendly. 1. Promote incentives for landlords. Encouraging private landlords to participate in affordable housing initiatives is vital. Introducing tax incentives and grants for landlords who offer units at affordable rates can help maintain a balance between market rate and affordable rental options. By easing the financial burden on landlords, they are more likely to provide affordable housing opportunities to those in need. 1. Reform zoning and planning regulations. Outdated zoning and planning regulations can hinder housing development and restrict the construction of new units. To address the housing shortage crisis, governments must undertake comprehensive zoning reform, allowing for higher density developments in appropriate areas. This approach can lead to increased housing supply and more efficient land utilization. 1. Facilitate public-private partnerships. Public-private partnerships, PPPs, can be a powerful tool to tackle the housing crisis. Governments can collaborate with private developers and investors to fund and execute large-scale housing projects. PPPs provide access to private funding and expertise while ensuring projects align with public needs and priorities. Conclusion. The housing shortage crisis in Canada requires a multifaceted and collaborative approach to bring about lasting change. As Creative Global Funding Services Inc., we believe that by increasing government investment in affordable housing, promoting mixed-income developments, utilizing underutilized land and buildings, embracing innovative building techniques, and implementing incentives for landlords, we can create a more sustainable and equitable housing landscape. Moreover, by reforming zoning regulations and facilitating public-private partnerships, Canada can move towards a future where housing is accessible to all its residents, regardless of their income level. To achieve these goals, we encourage individuals, communities, and organizations to actively engage with government bodies and private sector entities in finding innovative and long-lasting solutions to the housing shortage crisis. Together, we can build a brighter future for Canada's housing market and improve the lives of millions of Canadians. If you need financial support for your housing project, consider exploring funding options at www.creativeglobalfundingservices.com. Thanks for watching.